leader CSXT 996, clear signal TP 92, main track 1. West direction, Duke.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost Niner 1.5. No defects. No defects. Total axle 1, 2. Speed 4, 0. End of transmission.
Permission has come down to CB45. What's this job brief, over?
Alright, no one else had to read V today and coming down to 45, and I am ready for the brief, over.
Okay, we got the 9969 today on the W003. We're geometry training. 2 coaches operating on bulletin number 44237 with 20 messages. Like I said, 2 coaches. It's got 1,600 gallons of fuel on it. I have a preferred route that the geometry training crew wants to operate. Over.
Alright, what tracks do they want to take?
Okay, between 45 and 79, they want to track 1. At Palmer, they want the siding, 7983. Then they enter the Berkshire 92, they want track 1 all the way to 171, and they want the siding at Chatham, and then maybe hopefully track 3 when we get to SM, which is where your territory ends. So.
Alright, should be okay, except track 1 is occupied between 45 and 48, so we can't do track 1 there, but the other stuff should be, well, okay, except maybe track 3 down in Selkirk, but we'll see how that goes, but other than that, all the other ones should be good, over.
Okay, Roger, I figured there was somebody parked already on track 1 at 45. This is eventually has to go to the mat yard in Selkirk, if you could let the NI know, over.
Alright, going to the mat yard, parking there, alright, and then, let's see, any preference for the track between 57 and 60?
They want the siding there, sir. Siding all the way, if you could. Over.
Alright, so siding there. I can't do 60 to 64, though we got the EBSR working out there, but we can do 57 to 60.
That'd be perfect, yeah, and I don't think you even bother with that track since it's basically their own different track department that handles that track between 60 and 64 on the siding, over.
Yeah, alright, and then siding Palmer, and then track 1 through Springfield all the way, and then track 1 up to Pittsfield as well.
Yes, that is correct, sir.
Alright, cool, and then siding it, Chatham.
Yes, please.
Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, we should be good then, like I said, besides right here at Worcester. I'll get you on track. How long do you think till you get down to 45?
Probably at least 25 to 30 minutes, over.
25, 30 minutes. Alright, yeah, it's going to be called when you get closer then. We'll see if there's anybody else in the way by then, over.
Roger that. PTC does work. So far, I've been warned that it might. There is no TO on this engine, over.
Alright, no TO, beautiful. Alright.
Roger that. See you, 6. Work 3 now.